Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to study lesson number 2 of grammar, subject and predicate. We already know that sentence is made up of subject and predicate. We also know that no sentence is complete without subject and predicate. Let us see example of some sentences. Raju goes to school. Here Raju is the subject and goes to school is predicate. Both combine and make a complete sentence. Let us take one more example. I like an ice cream. Here I is the subject and like an ice cream is predicate. Both together makes a sentence. I like an ice cream. Now let us see what is a subject. The subject of a sentence tells who or what the sentence is about. Subject can be one word or it can be many words, and it always comes before the verb. Please remember, it always comes before the verb. Let us see some examples. The green grapes grew on the vine. Here, this sentence is talking about the green grapes. So, the green grapes is the subject. Now, let us take one more example. Boys played football. Here, this sentence is talking about boys. So, boys is the subject. Now let us see what is a predicate. The predicate of a sentence tells what the subject does or is. Predicates generally begin with a verb. Let us see some examples. The bird sang a song. Here, what the bird did? The bird sang a song. So, sang a song is the predicate. Let us take one more example. Fruit salad is delicious. Here, fruit salad doesn't do anything, but it is delicious. So, is delicious is the predicate. Dear children, you have understood subject and predicate. Now it's practice time. There are few questions. In these, you have to underline the subject with pencil. You can pause the video and then you can mark in your notebook. After that, you have to check the answers in the next slide. The sentences are: the blue whale dove to the bottom of the ocean. Georgia and her friends raced to school. She rode her bike to the library. The sun was shining brightly. The dogs were barking loudly. My mother and my aunt are trained classical dancers. You can pause the video and mark the answers. Now it's time to check your answers. The blue whale is the subject in the first sentence. Dove to the bottom of the ocean is predicate. Georgia and her friends is subject. Raced to school is the predicate. Next sentence, she is the subject. Rode her bike to the library is predicate. Next sentence, the sun was shining brightly. The sun is subject. Was shining brightly is predicate. Next sentence, the dogs is the subject. Were barking loudly is predicate. Next sentence, my mother and my aunt is the subject. Are trained classical dancers is the predicate. Hope you have done all correct. Thank you. Please solve the next exercise yourself. Thank you.